Hey guys, my name is Mohammad Amir Haider Rizvi and welcome to Tech Unax. So today I'm going to fix the problem this number cannot be used for verification. So let's get started. So first for educational purposes I am going to make a new account, create account for my personal use. Name will be Abracadabra. Last name is optional, so we will leave it. Anything 12 2000. Okay, 2000 we will be using, and we will be using mail because I am a male. And now we will be using Abracadabra 92. Now let's confirm password. ASD 12345 at the rate. ASD 12345 at the rate. So now let's click next. So now we will be using a US number for educational purposes. So where is USA? Yes. Now let's click on next. So now there is this number cannot be used for verification. So now I'm going to open Notepad. So to solve this one, let's first zoom in. Okay, double zoom out. So first option that you can do is use another number. Okay. So to get to this step, you can use others number like your relatives one or your mother's father, anything which you trust. Second is use a temporary email address. So you will be wondering what's a temporary email address. So I will show you what's temporary address. First go to your Brave, Chrome, anything you have. Go to and search temp email on Google and click on this first website. This one. See this logo. One. Wait a second. Let's close this one. Mm, So let me show you the logo so that it fits in your mind. This is the logo. This one. Temporary email. So you have to use this one and your temporary email address will be here. So now you can copy the email address and use it anywhere you want. Okay? So don't use it for bad things. It is only to bypass that email verification. And the third one is you use a byte OTP number. Okay, so I will not recommend that because I will not write it here due to educational reasons. So thanks for watching my video. So these are the two steps that you can use. First, use another number. For example, your relatives. For example, use your relatives one or use a temporary email address. I will give the link in the description, so don't be worried. So guys, thank you for watching. If you got help from this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.